Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video I will show you these gorgeous earrings. Let's get started. For this we need sugar beads, two types of crystal beads, four ball head pins, two loop pins, four jump rings, two ear studs, and chain. First, take a ball head pin and let's add the big crystal bead and two sugar beads. Now let's create loop. Repeat the same process with another small bead. Next, take a loop pin and first add two sugar beads. Then attach the big beaded jump which we made earlier. Now add two more sugar beads. And loop it tightly. Now let's take chain and cut it for 1 inch. And attach it to the loop. Fix the loop. Add another chain on the other side. Next, take a jump ring and add one chain. Then add small beaded jump in the center. Now add another chain on other side. Now let's secure the jump ring. For final step, take another jump ring, attach to this jump ring. Now add the ear stud. Close the jump ring properly. And that's it. Our handmade chain earrings are ready. If you guys love this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Please support my channel and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you guys in next video. Bye bye.